Welcome everyone, Ed here from the Great Indoors, and today I am at Gale's Garden Center in Willoughby Hills, Ohio, on a search for my backyard flowers. Hope everyone's doing well. Have you guys ever been to Gale's Garden Center? If you haven't, I really do suggest you give this place a try. Their selection is second to none here when it comes to flowers. If you're feeling generous, please hit that like button and the subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit the notification bell so you can be kept in the loop. This section over here is all the tomato plants. Jetstar, $17.99 a flat, or $1.79 for one pack. One pack is like basically one right here. That's one pack, like 4 tomato plants. My mom always had a big garden, and she always says that the best tomato was something, Best Boy or something like that. I haven't seen them here, but they do have Golden Jubilee and Marglobe. Growing up in Willowick, Ohio, my mom always had a nice flower garden and a pumpkin patch. And there was a downside to that, because you weren't allowed to play baseball in the backyard. But boy, did we have the pumpkins every year. And I guess some of that gardening skills stuck with me over the years. And that's a good thing. Oh yeah. I don't want to get any, this is what I'm looking for right here, something that's not in bloom yet. There's more upside on that one than the ones that are like this one over here. Sure, it looks nice to look at, but it's already bloomed. And that's not something that I would go with. I want something more on this line over here that has yet to reach its full potential. I've been putting off getting my flowers in for a while because we've had some, oh, look at the plane over there. It must be going to Cuyahoga County Airport over there. Pretty cool. I've been waiting to put my flowers in because we had a bout of cold weather, and I really didn't want to see this happen, having them all wilted up and everything. My backyard gets a lot of sun, so the zinnias that I'm looking for are perfect for backyard use with a lot of sun. Okay, with the help of one of the people here, they showed me where the zinnias are. Look at that one. Zinnia, Swizzle, Scarlet, and Yellow. That's a good, I could get a combination of different ones. Like this one right over here. You got the Profusion White Zinnia. I like that. I want to mix it up. I don't want just one color in there. And then they got the Profusion Orange over there. So let me get a white, an orange, and a yellow. What do you think? Like I said, these are not fully bloomed yet. Perfect timing. Oh yeah, I'm happy. I got a combination of white, yellow, and orange, and one of the plants is actually a combination of orange and white. It's like a sizzle or swizzle. So that's pretty cool. Now I'm ready to check out. They got a nice selection of indoor type plants over here. Another thing, did you ever hear that ferns, when you have a fern in your house, you're supposed to leave your music on or talk to them because they get lonely at night? And if you're working all day, that's not good. So talk to your plants. They have feelings too. All right, I want to talk to you Hey, how you doing? Boy, you're perky today. Yeah. And you guys, how you doing? Enjoying your day? All right. Well, you look good in my house. Hey guys, how you doing over there? Keep up the good work. See that? I think I just had a public service talking to those plants so they can feel better about themselves. Look at this outdoor section over here with the rose bushes and everything. I already have rose bushes in my backyard, so I'm good in this, but it is something that I do like to look at anyway. This is where I got my bush last year. Where is it? My next door neighbor, used to have evergreens, and I cut a lot of them out to make room for the flowers that I'm putting in, and this looks like the bush that I bought. And she keeps on going on and on about how she loves it. Okay, it is called Vigorous Rounded Full Bodied. What the heck? Green Velvet Boxwood. That's it. It's a boxwood. Now you know, Linda. It's a boxwood. I knew it had wood in it somehow. I just didn't know what kind of wood. I love it because it complements the flowers that I have in the back. Very cool. They have a lot of awesome stuff here at Gales Garden Center in Willoughby Hills. $15 and change for all that beauty. Take a look, people. Look at this here. That's the one, that's the combo, the Swizzle Scarlet and Yellow. That's awesome. And then you got the yellow, Profusion Yellow. I think I got 2 of those, something like that. And then I got a lot of white, the Profusion White. This is gonna look good. And there's the orange, and it's a combination of all those over there. For $15, that's a lot of beauty for 15 buckarooskies. I am happy. Yep. I don't know if I mentioned it to you, but if you ever come to Gales and you want to get something to eat, they have a really good produce store over there. Kind of like basically a general store. Fruits and vegetables. I think it has meat in there too. Check it out. You can't go wrong here in Willoughby Hills. All this in one area. Pretty awesome. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what better time than the present? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can always be kept in the loop for upcoming videos. Thanks again for watching The Great Indoors, everyone, with Ed and Michelle. Have a good one. Bye.